Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to part 2 of Engines of New Jersey Transit, the U34CH. I meant to put this in the video yesterday, but I want to wish you all a happy Easter. I hope you got a lot of candy. I know I have a whole basket to get me through for a couple months. In the meantime, I just wanted to let you know, please enjoy part 2, and I am wearing a special shirt dedicated to the restoration of U34CH 3372. If you want more information on how you can help, or just more information about what this project is, it will be at the end of the video. Thank you. The date is August 27th, 1994. It's early in the morning as passengers adore the U34CH. New Jersey Transit is running a special farewell to the U34CH excursion. The trip will be going over the Morris-Essex line and a few other North Jersey branch lines from the Erie-Lackawanna, and then eventually it will wind up in Port Jervis. Power for today's excursion is New Jersey Transit 4176 and New Jersey Transit 4172, which has been repainted into the Erie-Lackawanna paint scheme. Despite today being a bittersweet day for rail fans, New Jersey Transit continues to operate its daily commuter trains out of Hoboken. A rather funny moment here in this video. U34CH 4176 passes the retired deadline of GE E60s. Surprisingly, the U34CH survived the E8s, F7s, and E60s that were on the New Jersey Transit roster, including the GG1s. Near Hoboken, our excursion officially reaches the end. GE U34CH 4176 poses in East Rutherford, New Jersey, waiting for a GP40 to pull up in front of it. Of course, the GP40 would be replacing 4176 and 4172 and their sisters. It was a bittersweet moment for rail fans, and it had reached a milestone for New Jersey Transit. While the U-boats would be missed, their paint scheme would live on the GP40s in the disco stripes. the signal reading clear, New Jersey Transit 4176 pulls the special farewell excursion out of East Rutherford and toward Hoboken. From then on, all U34CH service would no longer be seen, bringing an end to almost 25 years of service. After the farewell excursion, Erie Lackawanna 3372 was set aside for preservation. It was donated to the United Railroad Historical Society in 1994. However, the New York and Greenwood Lake Railroad, located in Passaic, New Jersey, wanted the locomotive to operate it in excursion service, and so it was moved to Passaic by Morristown Erie crews. The New York and Greenwood Lake Railroad wanted to restore the 3372 in hopes of using it on a proposed upstate New York excursion line. However, the project failed due to New Jersey Transit seeing it bothering service on the Port Jervis line, and because freight operations were also going to be affected. 3372 was stored in the Passaic yard, and in 2009 the New York and Greenwood Lake Railroad filed for bankruptcy after they could not pay their taxes. When time passed on, the 3372 was exposed to the elements and was also a victim to copper vandals. However, that all changed in 2014. Around November of 2014, the United Railroad Historical Society took back their beloved U-boat with the hopes of restoring the engine operation and using it in excursion service. It was a heartwarming moment for rail fanners as they watched the 3372 move not under its own power, but move out of the Passaic yard by Morristown Erie crews. The locomotives of choice were Morristown Erie 18 and 19. Today, the 18 is preserved at the Illinois Railway Museum, and Morristown Erie 19 remains in the Garden State, preserved by the Tri-State Railway Historical Society. Here's some footage of them moving the locomotive out of the Passaic yard and onto the Dundee Spur, back onto New Jersey Transit main line, similar to home rails, and towards Boonton. This footage here was taken by Genesis Sanctuary of YouTube. Check out his YouTube channel for more amazing New Jersey train content. In this part of the video, you can hear 3372's bell ringing. Today, 3372 sits in the URHS Booten Yards awaiting a full restoration to working order. It's hard to imagine that a 50-year-old locomotive could become one of the most famous engines in the state of New Jersey, and it will always have a special place in the engines of New Jersey Transit. Alright, here we go again. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Arthur Anderson, or Mr. New Jersey Transit, as you know me by on YouTube. I want to thank you all so much for watching Engines of the Jersey Transit Part 2. I hope that you all liked this Part 2. I know there wasn't too much information or stuff like that happening. Part 1 was mainly supposed to cover all that. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach me down below in the comment section. If you have any questions or comments, I can always answer them. But yeah, this was a lot of fun to do. I loved, just like looking that stuff up and learning more about it. I love the U34CH. It's a wonderful locomotive, and I didn't even know that it operated freight. Man, I didn't even know that it worked freight on the weekends. It was like incredible. It's a little rough out right now. It's raining. I'm pretty sure it's raining wherever you are. But yeah, this was a lot of fun to do. And hi, Mama. Sorry, my cat's not getting in the video. Come here. Come here. Yeah, come here. Come over here. Oh. Come here. Come here, baby girl. Come here. Here's the, she's a temporary guest. Where are you going? Come here. Come on. She's a temporary guest. Go on. Go. Oh my goodness, what's going on up here? We've been letting her explore a little bit. But yeah, anyways though, we've been letting her, explore around. Anyways, I hope you really enjoyed the episode. It was, again, like I said, it was a lot of fun to do. I had a lot of fun doing this. And, I'm glad. I'm so, happy to do this for you guys. Three things I wanted to go over was I will be letting you, the fans, pick which locomotive comes next. Please keep it around the 20th century age. We're not really going to go into the L46 and L45 and other locomotives just yet. Your choices are, of course, the E8, the F7, the GP40s, and whatever else locomotive from the late 20th century on New Jersey Transit you want to see in the video. The other thing is that if you want to help with the actual restoration, here, let me show you the shirt. Hopefully the camera focuses in on it. This is the Project U-Boat shirt. I hope the camera took that all in. If you want to help, I think they're taking donations online. If not, you can always go to Booten, New Jersey whenever they're hosting their big festival where you can check them out, you can help donate to them, and you can buy a shirt. What was the other thing I was going to say now? Oh yeah, we have now reached 200 subscribers thanks to you. Now it's your turn. If you want to know more about me, Mr. New Jersey Transit, feel free to pop in the comment section down below after this video any questions you have. I will be accepting any amount of questions you have. If you have a question about, how many cats I have, what my favorite train is, why I did Engines of the Jersey Transit, any question you have, I will gladly answer them in a Q&A, which will come up relatively soon. Anyway, so again, this is Mr. New Jersey Transit. I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.